Okay, so on this one, we want to simplify the square root of 24. All right, so this is really important process here. We're going to do a lot of this. So let's make sure I make good sense of this for you. So square root of 24, how do we do it? Well, the first thing you need to do is break it down with, you can just use your calculator and break it down. What times what is 24? There's a lot of options. You can go 4 times 6, 3 times 8, 2 times 12. Doesn't matter. Do any of those. I'll just go with 4 times 6. And then you keep going. What do I mean keep going? Well, you ever seen this? This is called a factor tree, just like, you know, what multiplies to be the number. So what times what is 4? Well, 2 times 2. Now, I can't go any further on the 2's, right? Because if I tried to break down the 2, it'd just be 1 times 2. It's just using the 2 again. The 2 can't go down any further because it's what's called a prime number. So I'll underline those. They can't break down anymore. They're prime. They're fundamental, right? And what times what is 6? 2 times 3. Those are prime. So I'm done now. I found all the prime building blocks of a 24. So let me come over here now. And I'll put in all those numbers. So we've got what? 2 times 2, 2 times 3. So those are the pieces of a 24. Now, if I broke down that 24 a different way, instead of starting with 4 times 6, you know, I could have done whatever, 3 times 8. And then 3 is done, and this would be 2 times 4, and this would be 2 times 2. My point is, see, it's the same thing, 3 2's and a 3. It doesn't really matter how you break it down. If you keep going all the way down, you'll find out the fundamental structure of a 24 is 3 2's and a 3. That's what makes a 24. If you took your calculator and you multiplied 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, you'd get 24. That makes a 24. Okay, great. So now what do we do? Well, square roots are a 2-for-1 deal. So here's the fundamental principle. Square roots are a 2-for-1 deal. Like you're shopping at Target and things are on sale 2-for-1. Well, what does that mean? You grab 2, you go out of the store and you pay for 1. They're out of the store now. And so that 2 comes out. Okay, now the other 2 and 3, there's not 2 of them, so they have to stay inside, remultiply 6. And that's the answer to the question. So they want the A to be the number on the outside, so that would be the 2. This is the A here. Here, let me do this. Erase this. This is the A here. And this is the B. See how they want the A on the outside, B on the inside, so they want the 6 there. So the answer is 2 root 6, but they want us to tell the 2 different parts as A and B. So do you see what happened there? You do a factor tree, break the number down, and then you just do a 2-for-1 ship out. 2 2's inside, sends 1 2 outside, and they're gone. And so it's 2 root 6. Now, again, I want to show you that math didn't just make up a brand new rule out of the blue. And that's what we always do with square roots. What do I mean? This whole 2-for-1 thing. It sounds like we're just making up weird Target analogies, but no. Think about this. What is the square root of 9 again? One more time. What's the square root of 9? 3. Think about what just happened there. What is in a 9? What is 9? 3 times 3. See how there were 2 3's inside and 1 came out? That's what square roots have always been doing. But you probably never stayed up late at night thinking, hey, look, square roots are really like a 2-for-1. No, that's what weird math teachers do. But I'm here to help you. Right? Does that make sense? That's what they've always done, haven't they? They've always done a 2-for-1. That's what they do. So there we go.